Hello and welcome to this video. My name's David Thorne, and as the title says, wait for the crash. Why now? It's not the time to buy Bitcoin. The greed bubble is about to burst. Look at this rocket of price action going up. This is on a weekly chart of Bitcoin, and what we've seen patterns here when it's boomed up before, it's boom straight down, it's boom straight up, it's boom straight down. So should you buy Bitcoin right now? Absolutely no. Wait for it to come rocketing down just as fast as it went up. How long will this take? I don't know, but it will happen. History always repeats. If something goes up too fast, it comes down just as quickly. So when you look at the price, you see it always consolidates on this blue line, or it always consolidates on an equilibrium price. That's not to say that I don't like Bitcoin. I do like Bitcoin and I do own Bitcoin. And as you can see here, this is my next selling point. I've sold some Bitcoin today on this massive, or I've sold some Bitcoin today on these massive candles here. I took some profits because the euphoria is in the market right now. The extreme greed is in the market, and when there's extreme greed, you should be taking that on as a time to sell some of it, not all of it, just some of it, and just slice the profits off the top of the cake, off the top of the thing, and wait for that euphoria to end. And when this price starts rocketing down once again, that's time to start thinking about buying again. But we all know this is going to happen. It's got to come down. It's got to come down at least to say 50%. I know there's some people, they don't want to hear this and they think all the banks and the institutions are going to buy this to 100k, but that's not going to happen this time. It might happen over the coming year or 2 years and so on. So I'm not here to say that this will not happen. And I tell you what, if it does happen over the coming weeks, I'm just going to keep selling and selling and selling and selling. I'm only going to be in the money here. So either way, I profit from this. But the whole point is to sell some of the Bitcoin, not all of it. I mean, even just like this tiny portion of it. And when it does go down, put that money back in again, buy it back for a cheaper price, okay, and keep doing that and keep doing that. So if it does go up another 10,000, another 10,000, another 10,000, I will be selling a small portion of my Bitcoin. And just to tell you my strategy in this is my strategy, and this is not financial advice, is that I decide what number my Bitcoin balance in euros should be. And when it goes above that balance to a specific amount, I take out enough Bitcoin to basically have it go back to the balance that I required. So just as an example, let's say that I had $10,000 or euros of Bitcoin, right? And then the price went up some movement, and the value of my Bitcoin went from 10,000 to say 10,500 euros. And I was happy with taking 500 euros profit. So what I would sell 500 euros profit, and that would take the price back down to 10,000. And the next time the price of Bitcoin went up, it would go to say 10,400, 10,500. I would take 500 profit again. Now, if Bitcoin went down to say 8,000, or my account went down to 8,000 euros of Bitcoin, that's when I would put some more money back into Bitcoin to boost it back up to the 10,000. You see, I want to buy cheaper and sell more expensive. I don't want to buy expensive and sell cheaper. Selling cheaper than what you bought it is called losing money, right? And it's not how trading works. And it's not how investing works. You invest money in at a low point and sell at a higher point, all right? And when you sell with fear, that's called capitulation. And it's exactly what we are waiting for. We are waiting for people to start selling, and then the people to start capitulating, thinking, I got in wrong, and it starts going down. More people sell, pushes the price down even further. And the clever people are sat there watching until it gets down to the bottom and starts accumulating again. Look, see this? It even gives you a pattern here. Look, accumulating here, and then it goes up. Accumulating here, then it goes up. Distributing here, then it goes down. Distributing here, then it goes down. Look, accumulating here, then it goes up. accumulating here, then it goes up, accumulating, then it goes up. You see how this pattern just goes and goes again, accumulating, or distributing goes down, accumulating goes up, accumulating goes up. This is how Bitcoin works. Look, it went up, accumulating, or this could be distribution, and this could be the final FOMO here, or it could be the next level to come up, and then could be accumulation, or it could be distribution. You never know until it starts going down. You never know until it starts going down like this, and this is then people selling hard, and then harder, and then harder, then harder, then harder. And this is the final point where people start, the people with actual knowledge of how the financial markets work, start buying again and pushing the price up. So when the price goes up, you should not be buying. You should be buying when the price goes down, okay? And when it gets to the bottom. This is basic economics, right? Let the people who don't understand economics and they jump on the train, they jump on the FOMO train, fear of missing out train, let those people push the price up. And the institutions with lots of money and algorithms that are doing this and doing this very cleverly to push the price up, let them push the price up. If you want to take a gamble and jump on the train and make a little bit of money, do that, but get in and get out. Look for the patterns and get in and get out, because you don't want to be left at the top when the music stops, all right? Because it's just going to drop down and your money is going to be locked in here and until it comes back again. At the moment, over 91% of all Bitcoin accounts are all in profit right now. Now, these 91% of Bitcoins were not in profit down here. There was probably like 20% of Bitcoin were in profit down here. But you have to remember, you need to buy low and sell high. So right now, if you've missed the train, just sit and wait. There's another train coming, but it might take 3-4 months until that train is here. Save all your euros, your dollars, all of your money until you can ready to buy Bitcoin at a discount. With that said, thank you very much for watching and goodbye.